Today, I'm very excited to be talking to you about this ZoomOn application I've recently discovered. It's a security camera monitoring application which can be used for multiple different use cases, and what makes it very interesting is that it's got many features which you don't have in your typical security monitoring app. Now, I'm very excited to start showing you how you can connect these two Android phones to each other, use one of them as a camera and the other as a monitoring device. So what happened is I brought this specific phone out of storage after it was collecting a lot of dust, and thanks to this ZoomOn application, I was able to quickly go into the App Store, or the Play Store in this case, and download the application and immediately set it up as a security camera. Pair my mobile, which I will tap on both devices, choose to use this one as a camera and this one as a viewer. Select in both cases. Now what I got here is two options. One of them is to punch in the code it gives me or to scan the QR code. What I'm going to do in this case is go ahead and scan that QR code, which is very easy and user-friendly. As you can see right there, although it's an old phone and thus an old camera, it was very easy to scan, nice and quick. All I have to do is accept on this side, and instantly I am connected viewing this phone's camera from this one. How neat is that? And I'm going to tap into the feed from my other phone with one tap over here. So, first of all, you can connect and switch on the flash or off. You can switch the direction of the camera, as you may be able to see here. See me wave. You can control both the microphone and the speaker. However, for the purpose of this video, if I do that, because both phones are next to each other, it's going to have a very strong feed, which I don't want to show, and it'll cause a lot of noise. But we can also go into the settings, control very easily using the slider the noise sensitivity. So basically you can control how sensitive you want the camera's microphone to detect noise on the other side. I'm going to have motion detection during monitoring switched on, but also other options you have here which are very cool is that if I have this device connected to charging and then it's unplugged, I'll be notified. So in this case, I'm going to plug this phone to charging so I can be able to test this feature. And you can also detect whether the battery is below 10%. At the moment it isn't, but you can switch that and toggle it on or off to get the notification. You can also have this toggle on or off to detect whether we've exceeded the threshold you see here. So if the threshold is high, it will not detect much noise. But if the threshold is low, it will actually notify you every time there's a bit of sound. As you can see, the notification is already coming out. You can also connect your mobile to your security camera through the IP address and other manual ways, or by connecting to any security camera that is on the same network. Click on the plus sign at the top right of the screen, tap on Add My Camera, choose Apple Homekit, and as you see instantly, in very easy steps, your camera is right there. You can tap in and check your feed right away. Thanks for watching.